UAV surveys the area in which system operates, detecting and mapping the regions of larger litter concentration from the air. This provides initial information for a more detailed search performed by the underwater robots in the next step. Additionally, in sufficiently transparent waters, it may serve as an auxiliary source of information for ROV localization. Acquired UAV imagery is processed using computer vision algorithms to detect objects of interest, such as litter, obstacles, ROVs, etc. The detected litter is placed in the occupancy map used to guide the observation ROV, which performs close-up targeted scans. When the initial mapping task is finished, the UAV is used for situational awareness. Since the underwater robots operate in the GPS-denied environment, the UAV can serve as a source of the ROV position information. When the ROVs are observed near the surface, UAV provides them with GPS information, improving their localization accuracy.